Hello everyone, welcome back to Ram's Tutorial Educational Channel. In this video tutorial guys, we're going to discuss our new lesson. It's all about how to solve ridges in a circle. Our objectives here is that we can identify the ridges, or we can solve it, the ridges and the diameter in each equations. Here in our problem I have here 5 different circles and different measurement. What we're going to do here, I am going to show you how to solve the ridges in each circle. Let's start with number 1. Here we have direction says find the ridges and diameter of each circle. Now before we proceed to number 1 guys, remember that we have the definition of terms. And what are those definition of terms, teacher? We should know the different definition of terms, guys, so that you will know what are those, what you call words, functions of each in solving related to our topic about how to solve a circle or ridges in a circle. We have here different ways on how to solve it. First, what is letter C, teacher? Letter C means, my dear viewers, is related to circumference of a circle. D or the, which is refers to diameter of a circle. R is refers to ridges. That means to say, remember, ridges means is always half the length of each diameter. Okay, remember that, half length of each diameter. Now here in our problem number 1, it measures that we have, as you have seen, 3 yard. Y and the, it's represent yard. That is the measurement of that particular circle. Now our problem is that we are going to find out the radius, a question mark, and the diameter. So what is the formula, teacher, in solving this kind of problem about ridges in a circle? Simply guys, here in solving the ridges of a circle, our what's called formula is that we need to divide into 2, right? We need to divide into 2. So for example, we have this 3 yard. So we're going to divide into 2. 3 yard divide 2 is equal what? What is the answer, teacher? I am going to show you guys on how to solve the what we call the short and easiest way on how to solve this kind of problem. Here we go. We have here 3. We are going, excuse me for a while. Okay, we have 3. So divide and 2. Okay, we have here, we're going to transfer it. So 3 divide to 2. Okay, so remember our dividend is inside here and the divisor is outside, which is 2. Okay, we're going to start now. 3 divide 2, the answer is 1. I am right. Then 1 times 2, the answer is 2. This is step by step, my dear viewers. Now we are going to subtract it. 3 minus 2, the answer is 1. Teacher, is it 1? It can be divided to 2. Yes, it can't. Why? Because 1 is smaller than 2. So we are going to add 0. Remember guys, when we add 0, don't forget to put here a dot or a decimal point. Then we are going to divide 10 divide 2 because 1 becomes, we add 0, so to make it whole number, that is 10 it already, so we can divide it. 10 divide 2, the answer is 5. Now next procedure, we're going to multiply that, reverse. 5 times 2, the answer is 10. Now next, you're going to subtract it, the answer is 0. I am right? Okay, now our answer is 1.5. Okay? So remember, so we have the answer is 1.5. Okay, remember, radius is always half the length of its diameter. So in number 1, the diameter is 3 yards. We're going to write here 3 yard. Okay. Then the radius, as we have seen, we have 1.5. Don't forget this, the unit of measure. Right. I'm right, my dear viewers? Okay, excuse me for a while. Okay, now we're going to proceed to number 2. We have our problem. We're going to find out same procedure, guys, the radius and the diameter. Remember our problem here, we have 92 in, which is 92 inches class. In short is IN or in. So now, remember, Jerome, how to solve radius in a circle? What quarter is that? This is third quarter, module 6. Okay? This is third quarter in module 6, my dear viewers. Okay? So we have its continuation until what we call fourth quarter, the topic example, how to solve in a circle with different equations. Now, we are going to solve and then we're going to show you how to find the radius of this particular problem. So we have here, so we're going to write the diameter class. We have 92 and then the radius, we're going to find it out first. It is okay, question, because we're going to solve it. So we're going to put it here, 92 divide 2. Okay. Let me see it first here, my dear viewers. Okay, here, okay. See it. So let's try divide now. 2 divide 9. Okay, how many 2 and 9? So we're going to write here, class. Okay, as you can see, we have 4. Then multiplied to 2, we have here 8. Subtract, guys. 9 minus 8, we have here 1. Okay, that's it. So next step is we're going to bring down 2. So now 12 divide 2, it can be. So we have here 6. Then multiply it, guys. So we have here 12. That's easy, right? So here, we need our, what we call that, knowledge in division. So remember that saying that if you know how to add, you know how to multiply. If you know how to multiply, you know how to divide. Okay? Here we go. So our answer now is 46. The radius for number 2, 46. Then the unit of measure, we have inches. So we're going to write it here. This is our number 2 answer. The radius is 46 inches. The diameter is 92 inches. For number 1, we have here the radius is 1.5 yard and the diameter is 3 yard. Okay? Okay, I know you're finished with jot down, and of course the formula here is we need to divide by 2 only, last. Okay? You need to divide by 2 in finding the circumference of, or the radius of a circle. Divide only by 2. Now let us proceed to number 3 problem, which is 23 feet for our next circle, and we're going to find out the radius and the diameter. Now, take note, class, that our diameter is 23 feet. So we're going to write here 23 feet. Then how to solve radius? You need to divide by 2, and I am going to show you how to divide step by step, class. So this is for number 3. So I'm going to read first for number 1. Hope you already jot down our answer. Yeah, yes. Okay, for 1 and 2, right? So I'm going to erase this one, guys, so that we have any space to solve it. So that it is clear for you to solve and it's easier for you to follow. So we have first number 3, so we need to write here the solution for number 3 solution. Solution for number 3. So we have here 23 divide 2. So need, class, remember that our dividend is inside. So we need to divide 2 divide 2, it's okay. So we have 1 times 2. So we need to write here 2, then subtract it, 2 minus 2. So we need to put an x, that means to say it's 0. So we need to divide, bring it down 3, the next number. Then 3 divided 2, we have 1. Now, we are going to, okay, 3 divided by 2, so we have 1 times 2, we have 2. Continue, bring down 1, so cannot be class, we add 0 here. That's what you call the techniques, guys, that you're going to need to know the continuous divisions until you get the exact answer. So bring down 0 here to make it whole number. Now 10 divide 2, so we need to put a decimal point, don't forget that. Then 5 times 2, guys, is 10. So now our answer is 11.5. Our radius here, 11.5. And don't forget the unit of measure, feet. Okay, it's quite clear, class. The solution number 3, it shows our answer for number 3. Right? Okay, now we are going to proceed to number 4. Okay, for number 4, class. So I'm going to erase here first. I know you can follow me. Please keep on watching to our tutorial because this is very much important. Remember, my dear students. So we are going to find it out. Number 4, we have 12 inches, the diameter. Then we're going to find out the radius, class. 12 inch, so question mark, the radius. So we have number 4. Solution, so we need to divide 12 by 2. Now, 12 divided by 2, the answer is 6 times 2, class. The answer is 12. Subtracted. So our answer is, wow, 6 inches, class. Okay? That is, remember, don't forget to write the unit of measure, class, to make your answer is correct. I am right? Hope, my dear viewers, this is very much important for you. So please keep on watching to our video tutorial tonight. Next, we have number 5. Our number 5, okay, to solve the radius in a circle for number 5, we have 36 inches, the given diameter, and we're going to find out the radius of a circle. Here we go. We need to write that. Then I'm going to show you how to divide it for our number 5's problem. Hope you can follow, my dear students and my dear viewers, to Ram's Tutorial Educational Channel. Here we go for our number 5 solution. We have here 36. Divide by 2, class. Next, we need to divide 3, divide 2. The answer is 1. Then, proceed to multiplication process. Okay. Bring it down. Subtract it. 3 minus 2 is 1. Bring down 6, the next number. Okay. Now, you're going to divide it. 16 divided 2. We need to write it. Okay. 8 times 2, so we have here 16. Okay, I'll put it. Our answer now, the radius is 10 inches. Okay, I will give you a time, class, to copy first here from 3, 4, and 5. And of course, the ways on how to solve it. Excuse me for a while. Okay, we're going to proceed to next number, class. Okay, I'm going to erase this one. Okay, next, number 6. So we need to draw a circle here. Then I plotted out here. Okay, we have here 30 inch. So we need to find the radius here. Then the diameter. Next, for number 7. So we need to draw a big circle. Okay, so we have here. So we need to find the radius. Same procedure, guys. And then the diameter. Okay, let's solve it. For number 6, we have 30 inches. We're going to find the radius. So remember, our diameter is, remember that in radius class is always half the length of its diameter. So we have here 30 inch. Okay, and then we need to divide that class here to 2. So we have here 30 divide 2. So we have 3, 1, so 2. So we need to write here 1, so bring down 0, divide F. So we need here 5 times 2. Okay, the answer is 15. Okay, that is R. And don't forget to write the unit of measure class, inches. Okay. Our answer here for number 6, the radius is 15 inches and our diameter is 30, and half of this 30 is 15 inches. Now let's proceed to number 7. So we have 40 feet in our circle, so we're going to find first the diameter, the radius rather. So we need to write here 40 feet, then divide 40 by 2, so 4, 2 times 4, then bring out 0. So the answer, class, is 20 feet. That is for number 7, my dear viewers. Now I'm going to give you number 8, the last number, to solve it. So we have here perfect. And here the radius and then the diameter. Okay, we need to write here. We have 48 yard in our number 8 class, so we need to write the diameter here. We have 48 yard, and we need to divide by 2. I'm going to show you, class. 48 divide 2. This is for number 8 solution. So we need 4 divide 2. So we need to write here 2. Next, you are going to multiply that. So we have here 4. Then subtract it. I put it on X because this is a 0. So we need to bring it down here. Then divide by times the 8 divide 2 rather. So we need to write here 4 times, then subtract. That's our answer is 24 yard. Hope my dear viewers really understand our topic today about ways and how to solve radius in a circle. If you are new here to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell icon so that you're updated on our latest video tutorial. Goodbye and so long, class. See you in my next video. Bye-bye!